So let's get with it. I got 1 hour to shoot this video, so let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be priming with J1 Jelly Pack. You have to press that in. And then we'll get done. Start with the brows. We're using the NYX micro pencil. And I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. And I'm going to do that with the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the color Almond. And I'm also going to be correcting with that same color. So up, and then I'm going to put some concealer over my eyelid, blend that out and set it. So that's going to look something like this. And we're going to blend that out. I'm just going to use a beauty blender because I'm trying to be fast today. I'm trying to speed up my movement. And I'm going to set that with some more Mercier Honey Translucent Powder. And if you hit a spot like I did on my brow, just go ahead and fill that in. Just want to go ahead and set the brow with some powder also. Powder, because you're going to come back and rub some clear brow gel through that brow. Take the shine off. Girl Pro Conceal on my dark spots just to bring everything up to a more even tone. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend that out, my small one. Okay, so I'm going to be highlighting with the Milk Makeup foundation stick that I have. I love this foundation stick and I just never got around to buying the full size one, but look how much is still on this one. So, and I'm using my Candid concealer as a contour on my nose. And now we're going to blend. Get your contour moving. And go up because you want to go up on the face. Keep lifting that face up. This is how you do it with makeup. Now for my nose, I'm going to just use this blending brush. It's a Farah blending brush. I just want something that's kind of small that can get into that curve on the between the nose and the eyes where the nose and eye connect. So look something like this. And I like to go up first. See how I'm connecting it as I... Now let's get into some highlight. There is this under $10 e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in medium peach. Yes, this stuff is everything. So we're going to go ahead and get into our highlight. T'Challa, can you please lay down, ma'am? Alright, so I'm going to start blending with my beauty blender, and that's going to be everything except my eyes. When it comes to concealer, I just really feel like you can't beat this one because it's under $10 for one, and it goes above and beyond the job. So they did their big one with this one, so don't get it. Like, you're not giving me a dime, but I really love this concealer. Hold on. So next we're going in with foundation. I'm going to use this Super Stay for Maybelline, and I'm going to also use this Bite Change Maker foundation. So you know the game. I use this on the bottom half of my face in all the spots where it's darker on my face, so I can get a nice gradual just like my natural skin is, like a nice little gradient, so it's not all. So yeah, I just put some of this in my brush and then I apply it from the brush. Then I just go ahead and blend out the lighter part. Touch up my highlight just a little bit. Bit of cheek color. It's the Pureless Blush Glow BB cheek color, and it's in a coral color. That's very pretty. And I just put some of this right here. And I blend that in with my contour brush. And now we're going to set, or we're going to prep to set. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Honey Translucent Powder. Okay, so I'm just going to smooth out my under eye. My beauty blender, and then I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush. I'm going to be using this brush. I'm going to use the same old palette that I always use in Lovecraft, and Saniva is going to be the choice for tonight. I'm going to set the rest of my face with Smashbox Halo Powder. Go ahead and set our brows with this Cella Clear Brow Gel. Our blush on, we have everything pretty much on, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight really quickly. I'm going to be using this Ofra highlighter. Like that, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that over my eyelid just for a little sparkle. And now I'm about to spray it down. Alright, so I got my lips lined, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some setting spray on this face. I'm gonna use the Laura Gallagher Spackle Mist. Alright, I'm gonna be applying some velour lashes. This multi-day lash bond that I'm going to put onto my lashes. I like to do both of my eyes at the same time, so I put the glue on, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then I go straight into applying the lashes. I'm going to finish off with some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm going to just probably just put on some wet lid. This is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. It's the Aqua Resist makeup. I'm gonna put on some lipstick. This is Clinique Plum Pop. I'm gonna put some Anjoa Glassify with the little sparkles over that. Just gonna let my curls sit, and then when I get there, I'll shake it out. I'll just shake it out. So yeah, that's it. I'll be right back. I'll show you my outfit.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.